Well, hello, YouTube friends. How are you guys doing on this marvelous night? It's been almost a whole month since I posted a video, and I'm sorry for that. But anyway, I decided to test out this amazing product. Don't know if it's amazing. Don't know if it's amazing. But it's a lovely Revlon hairdryer. I haven't even opened it, took it out of the box yet, but we are gonna do that together and we are going to test it out. And I feel really pretty today and really excited. So what comes in here? Cookies. So it came with all of this right here. I got it pink because why not? I love pink. I even have pink lipstick on. Pink is my favorite color. You can't ever go wrong with drop and everything. Can't go wrong with pink. Fucking bitch. Goddamn motherfucking twisty ties. Okay. Almost dropping everything. How lovely. And more twisty ties. I just bought this product today and this said I had to make another video. So I bought a freaking hairdryer for this video. And it's a pretty long cord. Let's plug this in, shall we? Is plugged in and ready to go. I'm gonna send some of my eyelashes out. That was high. Well, this is a lovely hairdryer. Gets the job done. It can go on high, medium, or low. And then it came with this thing right here. Don't know where to set this. Wow, that was hot. Hot tamale. So, this thing right here goes right on, like twists onto here. You bitch. Like that. And then it gets like right there or whatever. Your eyes, your hair. This is like the low set, like the medium setting. This is the high setting. This is extremely hot, but you have the picture right here for a cool ass can do. I give product a 10 out of a 10. It's Revlon. Ooh, that's kind of hot right there. Wow. So, if you're ever at Walmart and decided to get hair, like, what are these? Hair dryers. This one was only $14. $14. And it says right here, let's see. Frizz Control. Style 40% lighter. Ultra lightwear. Design. Ironic technology. Reduces frizz and a whatever the shine and 3 heats. The cold shot button. Remove and cap. You supposed to fucking remove this? Apparently you are. Now let's try it out. Using a hairdryer, using hairdryer, using a hairdryer. Okay, so I done it wrong. I didn't remove this cap thing. And now I can't even snap it together. How does this thing go? How does this thing go? Okay, it's supposed to go like that, and then it's like that. So I give this a nice little product, Revlon, a 10 out of a 10. And sorry I haven't been here posting videos for about a month. I just getting stuff in order for my doctor's appointment. It's on Wednesday when I get my suit and everything ready. Like what we're going to wear. I'm going to do it like a try-on video like on Tuesday night or something coming up. It's like to get ready with me. And then maybe we do an upgrade video. See why I wasn't here and everything. But I just basically did. So no need. So there was all different kinds of hair dryers. This one is the only cheapest one because I wanted a hair dryer and now I got a hair dryer. And this is what it basically looks like. Yeah. And this is what the lipstick is that I have on. If you guys are probably wondering, it's an elf type of lipstick. To tell you the truth, this was only $1 from the Dollar Tree. Nothing special. And this is Adam Levine Rumors. Why do you care for the rumors, baby? Why do you care about the rumors, baby?